Arewa Useh communities hail Obaseki developmental plans and inclusive governance. The Arewa community for Edo State don praise Governor Godwin Obaseki for his administration developmental strides across the state, especially for critical sectors wey include infrastructure, education, health, agriculture, among others. Publicity Secretary of the People's Democratic Party (PDP) Arewa Community for Edo State, Abdullahi Ibrahim, wey lead the other members of the group on courtesy visit to Government House, come salute the governor as im put Edo people for the forefront of im government policies and programs. E come reaffirm the group's support towards the realization of the governor mega agenda, say Obaseki's style of inclusive governance don ensure say development reach every part of the state. Obaseki praised the Arewa community for their support to ensure say the state enjoy peace and unity. Obaseki, wey im chief of staff Useh represent, come tell dem say make dem continue to dey support and collabo with im administration for Ogbonge Deve for the state. E come also tell the group say make dem mobilize their people and ensure say dem register for the ongoing registration by the Independent National Electoral Commission (INEC) to enable dem get the right to vote for any election for the state. The leadership of the Useh community, the Edigin Useh, Chief Ekpen Edigin, come hail the governor's sustained investment for education and in restructure of Useh Primary School. This one na the Ogbonge informate wey TMC TV carry come give una on top the koko for today. My name na Chidima Anichukwu from Benin.